Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant Vanguard not running error on Windows. First, restart your computer. This may sound simple, but it can fix temporary issues that stop Vanguard from working properly. After the restart, try opening Valorant again. If the problem is still there, the next step is to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open the control panel, go to Programs and Features, find Riot Vanguard, right-click it, and uninstall it. Once it is removed, restart your computer. After that, open the Valorant client. Vanguard will install automatically in the background. Wait for it to finish, and then restart your PC if asked. Next, you need to check the VGC service. Open Windows Search and type Services, then open the Services app. Scroll down and find VGC. Right-click on it and click Start. If it is already running, then click Restart. After that, right-click again, go to Properties, and set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply and OK. Finally, make sure your Windows is fully updated. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and check for updates. Install all available updates and restart your computer. After completing these steps, open Valorant again, and the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.